In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your payment methods on Alibaba. Whether you need to add a new card or remove an existing one, I've got you covered with this straightforward guide. This is an essential skill for anyone using Alibaba to ensure your transactions go off without a hitch. To get started first, log into your Alibaba account. You can do this via the Chrome browser or through the Alibaba mobile app, whichever is most convenient for you. Once you're signed in, find your way to the account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon or name, typically located at the top right corner of the page or within the main navigation menu of the app. After accessing your account settings, look for the section labeled Payment Methods. Once you've located and clicked on this section, you'll be presented with your currently saved payment options. Here, you can manage all the payment methods linked to your account. If you're planning to add a new card, you're going to want to click on the Add Card button. This option will take you to a form where you need to enter your new card details. Make sure to double check the information you enter to avoid any mishaps or errors during your purchasing process. Once you've filled everything out accurately, don't forget to click Save to store your new card information securely. This ensures your new payment method will be available for future transactions. On the other hand, if you need to remove an existing card, the process is just as simple. Start by selecting the card you wish to delete. Now, look for the option that says Delete or Remove. When you click this, the system will typically ask you to confirm this action. This confirmation step is crucial, as it prevents accidental deletions of payment methods that you still intend to use. It's important to confirm any changes made to your payment methods, whether you're adding a new card or removing one. This step finalizes your actions and updates your account settings to reflect your current preferences and payment options. By following these steps, you'll have full control over how you pay for your purchases on Alibaba. Whether updating your card information or tidying up the payment methods you no longer use, managing these settings is key to ensuring seamless transactions. Thank you for watching this guide on managing payment methods on Alibaba. I hope you found it clear and helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues while following this process, feel free to reach